Hi there, you're listening to What's New Today, a kids and family podcast channel. This is your host Sangeeta from India, and you're listening to part 3 of our book review of the Harry Potter series. So, a group of kids got together recently and they reviewed the series. And before we did this recording, a very good friend of mine, Manisha, she prepared some interesting book review worksheets for the kids to fill in.
I really enjoyed making the questions. Would you or rather you chat or go on a bike or go on the express train? Most of you, when you were checking the answers, you have chosen Hagrid over Dumbledore. But I really want to know, why have you chosen Hagrid over Dumbledore? Like, what is about that character that really connects with you?
Ma'am, I wrote that I would have a chat with Dumbledore in his office. Same
Okay. And so no problem, you can tell me, why do you admire Dumbledore over Hagrid? That's perfectly fine.
I think most people chose Hagrid because Hagrid was the only person connected to Harry from when he came to Hogwarts. We cannot tell properly that Harry liked Dumbledore as much as Hagrid because in some times when he was in Dumbledore's office, he would shout at Dumbledore or get angry at Dumbledore. In the Deathly Hallows or in the 6th book and the 5th book, it happens many times.
I was saying that I prefer Dumbledore over Hagrid because we can see how much Harry was crying after Dumbledore died, and he has a very deep relationship with Dumbledore.
Okay. Alright. A little twist in the question. I would like to know why you choose that character over each other rather than why Harry is choosing that character. Okay, let's see what do you feel about the character, and why would you choose, if you would be there in Harry Potter's place, why would you choose to be with Dumbledore in the office or with Hagrid in his little hut?
The reason I chose Dumbledore because Hagrid is always a bit unstable. I feel like he can, if he says something, he can get very angry. But Dumbledore always seems so calm and peaceful, so that's why I chose Dumbledore. Because I'd rather have a conversation with a person who talks softly and nicely rather than someone who could kill me with one punch if I said something.
I chose Hagrid because, first of all, although Hagrid's cooking is not that good or famous. Example, his rock cakes, which broke Harry and Ron's teeth. I chose Hagrid because I like animals, so maybe he can show me new animals, probably some of the ones which are banned, very rarely found. One time he had a dragon. He's also very friendly. Dumbledore I did not choose because Dumbledore is okay, but what I can't really learn from him.
Can I tell my view of perspective next?
Yes, Ridansh, of course.
So I chose Hagrid over Dumbledore because yes, I totally agree with that. Dumbledore has quite a calm voice, so he would easily converse with Harry. But at the same time, most of the conversations that were included in the series were pretty serious. While when Harry went to Hagrid, they had one conversation that did not stress Harry out, and that is the reason why I chose Hagrid over Dumbledore.
Ma'am, I chose Hagrid in his hut because Hagrid has always been kind to Harry. He would always also be kind to me. He would be very easy to speak to. We could tell him the truth.
So you will not be afraid of somebody, and you will be able to tell the truth to that person, and that person will be kind enough to hear you out, and that's the reason you like Hagrid more.
Also, I really like animals.
Oh, so we have a lot of animal lovers.
So the reason I chose Hagrid over Dumbledore because Hagrid, if I was in the place of Harry, So Hagrid might have spill out the truth really fast, like he told about Nicholas Flamel, how to get past Fluffy. So if I was in place of Harry, then I would have if I wanted to solve the mystery, then I would have definitely chatted with Hagrid rather than Dumbledore, so I could get to the bottom of it really quick.
I chose a chat with Hagrid in his hut because Hagrid is warm and loving, and he also told Harry that he's a wizard. He was the person who had brought him the letter.
Do you think if Hagrid wasn't there, then Harry wouldn't have been at Hogwarts?
Yes.
Hagrid basically saved Harry's life. Also basically saved the world from Lord Voldemort indirectly by bringing Harry to Hogwarts.
Like, I would preferably choose talk with Dumbledore in his hut because he's like Harry's godfather, Sirius Black. He's kind of like his parents.
Oh, so we have a Dumbledore lover also who is like a parent figure to Harry, and that is the reason why you would like to have a chat with him at the office, right?
Yes.
I would choose Hagrid over Dumbledore because Hagrid is trustworthy and good. Hagrid is trustworthy, so if I have to chat about something, he won't just take it out casually.
I chose Hagrid because I think he's more fun and not that tight and so studying and all.
Okay, so you
Hagrid
want
is a bit more relaxing, while Dumbledore is more headmaster, good,
Robbie Coltrane, the actor who essayed the role of Hagrid in all of those Harry Potter movies, he passed away a couple of years ago. And for those of you that have seen him in the movies, I'm sure you all will agree with me that Robbie almost always brought some of the biggest smiles to our faces. You know, the way he would wink at the little kids when he was letting out a little secret, or his ungainly stride into the Forbidden Forest. Well, an interviewer had met Robbie earlier a few years ago, and he asked him what it was to look like Hagrid after all the makeup and if he stood in front of a mirror.
I thought, good God, who's that, really? A lot of time and effort went into it.
I would imagine. How long?
With a lot of tests and about an hour and a half most mornings. So we got it down to about 45 minutes.
Wow! Hagrid and his beard, it took them 1.5 hours every morning to get him ready. Well, here's a question for our listeners. Who would you rather have a chat with? Hagrid in his hut or Dumbledore in his office? If you're listening to this on YouTube or Spotify, you can leave your response via comments below, or you can email me at hello@wsnt.in. If any of our young listeners would like to be a part of our book review club, you can register using the link I'm leaving in the show notes below. Thank you and see you in the next episode.